Welcome all computer science students in this video. In this video we are going to explore working with Python. So let's open our Python first of all. You would have installed Python, and after that through the IDLE you can open your Python environment, and you can notice this is the same type of window as in figure 5.1, and actually it is technically Python shell on which there is a Python prompt where we execute our Python instructions. So to write and run a Python program we need to have a Python interpreter installed on our computer. After that only we can open this environment, Python shell, and we can work in Python in two modes. Right now you are in interactive mode where you can give the instruction, like this is one Python instruction to print hello on the output screen. So right now as soon as I will enter, it will give the output in the form of hello. This is a one-line program in which we want to print the hello, and it has given our desired purpose, printed hello. And the same job, right now what we have used, interactive mode. The same job we can do in the script mode where in the file we are creating a new file, and here writing our program. It can be multiple line, it can be single line. It depends upon the type of program you are creating. After that save the program. By default it saves in your directory. Right now in the C drive in the Python it is saving the file. So first, that is the program name, I am saving it, and after that to run you have two options. Either through the run menu you click on the run module, or directly press F5 from the keyboard, and it is printing hello. So first one was about interactive mode, and right now it's about from the script. You have written the program in the script file, and the file name is, you would have noticed in the C drive Python folder has this file with the name first, and the file extension is py. What we have written here is our source code, and after running we are getting the desired output. So in Python there are two ways to use the Python interpreter. First one is interactive mode, and second one is script mode. Both we have experience now. Interactive mode allows execution of individual statement instantaneously, whereas script mode allows us to write more than one instruction in a file called Python source code that can be executed. And we have done this all thing. Noticeable thing is when you are writing in the script mode, the file extension, when you will save it, the file extension will be .py. After the file name, .py will be automatically included. And the program can be of a single line and can be of multiple lines also. Now the next thing is Python keywords. Before that, let's see certain. If I try to make a program to add two numbers, so this is very simple program of adding two numbers. A is 12, B is 13, C is equal to A plus B, and print C. Now recall the definition of program. Program is a set of instructions which have some input, do some processing, and provides the desired output. And I have made the changes in the same file, so when I will run it, it will ask for making changes. Source must be saved. So I will click right now OK, and this program definitely will print 25, because it is adding A and B values. A and B are variables. C is also a variable which is containing the sum of A plus B, and finally through the print function we are printing the value of C. Now moving to the topic Python keywords. In this small program we have used three variables, three identifiers. If I use the identifier name from any of these keywords, like if I take the first variable name as if, it is here if in this program I take the program where instead of A I am saying if, and in this line also I am changing it as if, and if I run it now it will give error, invalid syntax. So why it is happening so? Because if is a keyword. keywords cannot be used as identifiers. A keyword cannot be used as variable name or function name. Why it is so? क्यों नहीं use कर सकते? Because they have predefined meaning associated with them and Python knows what is the meaning of that word. So keywords are reserved words with a specific meaning. And we can use a keyword in our program only for the purpose for which it has been identified. As soon as a Python interpreter will encounter this word, it knows what is the meaning of it. Only for that purpose we are using the word. And that's why they are keywords, reserved words. They cannot be used for any other purpose. They have their own meaning. That's all for this video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for right now.